The Welding Technology 1 and 2 programs offer a robust combination of classroom instruction and hands-on lab experiences, preparing students with a wide range of skills aligned with American Welding Society entry-level guidelines and certifications. Students will refine their mathematical abilities in areas such as geometry, precision measurement, and estimation, key components to ensuring accuracy in the welding process. This program equips students with technical expertise and problem-solving skills needed for a successful career in the welding industry.